A green parrot flies with the happy wings. Green is the color that prosperity brings. It is the color of trees, leaves, grass and plants. When we see green, we feel happy, fresh and calm. Green tells us about new life and growth. Tiny seeds grow into big trees, and that is the magic of green. Green also teaches us to love our nature and take care of our earth, our mother nature. Now, let me call my class of 1C to present a lovely dance on the color green. Watch how we show the beauty of nature through our happy moves and smile.
उसळणाऱ्या धबधब्या